southwestern Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Gilmer County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Floyd County in northwestern Georgia, northwestern Dawson County in north-central Georgia, Gordon County in northwestern Georgia, Pickens County in north-central Georgia, Bartow County in northwestern Georgia, until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Calhoun to Shannon to near Lindale, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rome, Kenton, Cartersville, Calhoun, Jasper, Adelersville, Harley, Emerson, Cave Spring, White, Waleska, Kingston, Resaca, Plainville, Taylorsville, Talking Rock, Cheyenne, Cassville, Fairmount, and Ranger. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.